Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore washing machine and it's giving you an LE error and you're wondering what's going on and how can you get rid of this error. So there's a couple of things that might be going on. So basically this LE error is a lock error, which means that the machine has, for some reason, to protect itself, it's decided to just stop working and it's locked up and it can't get out of this state of sort of like self-protection. The more kind of easy things to fix is that a couple of things. Maybe might be as simple as you having overloaded your washing machine. So if you're getting this error when you've got this thing stuffed full of clothes, I would just take some clothes out and then try it again. Also, it kind of does the same thing if it gets too much suds in there. So it can come up with this error. So what you want to do there is just let the suds dissipate some and then run like a rinse. Don't put any more detergent in it. Take any clothes that are in it out and run like a rinse cycle to just kind of wash all of the suds out. And make sure you're only using the right kind of detergent, the right amount of detergent. Beyond that, you might have some kind of something preventing this thing from spinning properly, like the bearings might be going bad or something like that. But then we're getting into more complex stuff that you're probably going to just need to call a technician for. But as a homeowner, the first thing to try to do is just to make sure you're not overloading the machine and make sure that it's not getting oversudsed inside the machine. Anyways, hope this video helped at least figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.